As we know, injection molding has been applied in several sectors, including, you can see from the slide, including like toys, like daily use life components, or even like components in computers, in precision mechanical parts, or even a whole bunch of the automotive components, and so on and so forth. Besides, if you focus on some new products in market, you can see somehow, for example, the components in iPhone, which might be related to the metal injection molding and so on and so forth, or even like very modern earphone. Besides, right, people might integrate different kinds of technology. Suppose like you use the you have buy some new shoes. They might use some foam technology. So if you go through like that one, but we use this kind of technology, we still encounter so many problems. Especially, we know the quality issue is one of the most important priority in the injection molding product development. So people, when they manufacture about this kind of products, they might still need to focus on different kinds of problems. Especially, there are too many factors will affect the quality of the injection parts. For example, what kinds of material you're using, what kinds of the design of the parts, or somehow how can you set up the suitable mold design, then what kinds of machine you are using, what kinds of condition you have to specify. So to do this kind of problem, people know right now the CAE might be one of the good tools can help them to deal with these kind of challenges. But even though like this one, when you might be doing the same thing, both using the CAE and also go to the real machine. But it's very common, you can see the result just like I showed you. You're using the same condition, specification, then you got some result from the top one. You can see is a size of the smile, a smile type of a smile results. However, you using the same conditions, unfortunately, you got a cry products. How? So you might keep going to ask yourself. So some people might thinking, is the problem for CAE? So you might keep your mind all the time. Today, I showed you something. People try to solve this problem by the other way. Somehow they use, we call this a design of experiment, which can be a good technology to help people to optimize the process.